welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to keep working on the Mustang. So hopefully today we'll get the inner rocker cut out and the floor test fitted, and hopefully might be able to get everything welded in. So hopefully this is a good episode and you guys enjoy it. So I'm going to quit talking and we're going to get to work. So yeah, I think I'm going to wrap it up. I'll show you what I got done, and then we'll take a look at some of the other problem areas, and then yeah, we'll keep working after that. But this rust converter takes 24 hours to do its thing, so once it's done doing its thing, I'll start cutting some panels. I got the inner rocker cut out. We'll take a look at it. Got the inner rocker cut out. Got everything hit with some rust converter, some 3M rust converter. It takes 24 hours to dry. Got 2 coats. So yeah, gonna let it do its thing. And then once it's done, we'll make the panel to go here. Once we make the panel to go there, well, we'll probably do the inner rocker first. We'll make the panel for the inner rocker first. That way we can connect it to out there. Then we can get an accurate measurement for our panel that has to go there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And then I do have a piece I made from the other side, from that corner for here. So I'm gonna cut some of this out, weld in that little replacement panel. I need to get something to cut this out. I'm thinking maybe an air saw, something that can get in those tight grooves, because the cutoff wheel can't. So yeah, I'm gonna look into getting an air saw and probably a Dynafile or something like that to make things a little easier. But let's go take a look at the other problem areas. So I got the fenders off, and you can see that it's some areas are worse than others. This frame rail's not actually that bad. Maybe some surface rust once we clean it off. And then I do have the 5 lug conversion for this, so I'm going to do the 5 lug. I don't know if I've ever showed you guys under here yet, but we got the 4-cylinder out. That's how our shock tower is looking on the driver's side. I got to get the brake booster and all that stuff out still, but it's looking like it's mostly surface. Maybe a little bit of stuff that needs to be replaced, maybe like in here, but this is going to be what we have to tackle, the passenger side, which seems to be the worst side of this car, and I have no reason why. But yeah, that's all the rust we're gonna have to replace in here. If you have any recommendations on any kind of panels you guys use, I think I heard a Scott rod. I'm not sure if that was it, but if you guys have any drop-in panels so I don't have to cut them all, drop them down in the comments and let me know what they are, and yeah, I would really appreciate that and save me some time and some effort. This is our passenger side. Definitely gonna need some work. Definitely some rust, so I have to take care of that. And then this is the outside of the passenger side. I got a little bit to take care of. Gotta make a little, cut this and make a little panel for here to keep that out, or keep that looking, or sealed. There we go. But yeah, other than that, the only thing this side needs is the rocker. But yeah, that is going to wrap it up for this video. Appreciate you guys watching. Remember, like, comment, subscribe if you want to follow along. If you want to see how somebody who has no clue what they're doing do this, because I'm not a professional. Maybe one day I will be, but yeah, not anytime soon. So this is a road that we're going down to learn it. That's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.